We're in Crystal River and we came down to the beach to watch the sunset. And there's actually a drum circle. And this is a first for both of us. As we travel around, we see all kinds of cool things.
I am so impressed at the eclectic amount of people that are here. There's really 250, maybe 300 people here. And everything from 6 months old to 85 years old, it's just really something.
It is. Everybody kind of has their drums or something that makes a drumming sound, and it'll be interesting to see what happens as the sun sets.
Now, we are in Crystal River. This is called the Second Sunday, right, Drum Circle.
Right.
So the Second Sunday Drum Circle, they do it every second Sunday. They have a permit here, and all kinds of cool things are going on. I'm going to show you some balloons. There's a gentleman that's got a huge balloon making machine over here. Bubbles.
Bubbles.
Balloons, bubbles, it's all the same thing. So, it's just something that I can't imagine anybody not coming out here and enjoying themselves. It's just really, really cool.
A spectacular sunset. Just being able to come out and enjoy the time watching the sun. These times are amazing.
I'll tell you what, it is really, really cool. The people here are incredible. It has just been something that you cannot believe. It is an experience of a lifetime.
Turn it around. We were photobombed.
We were photobombed from behind the camera, but that's okay. So this is Crystal River. This is just one of the most incredible things that I've ever seen, and we are having a great time. We are Crystal River, Florida. I'm Dan Hunt with my incredible wife, Patti Hunt, saying have a great rest of today.
And an even better day tomorrow.